So in this video, we will learn how to add the Data Analysis Toolpak. If you're using an Excel in Mac, you can use this video to add the Data Analysis Toolpak. The Data Analysis Toolpak is an Excel add-in program that provides data analysis tools for financial, statistical, and engineering types of data analysis. Okay, so if you don't see the Data Analysis Toolpak under your Data tab on the right-hand side, you can add it in this manner. You'll click on the Tools tab and you'll select Excel add-ins. Here you have two options. You want to check the one that says Analysis Toolpak and click on OK. So under your Data tab, you will see the Data Analysis tool show up on the right-hand side. You can click on it, and anytime, any type of data analysis you want, you can select it from here. So for example, regression, histogram, descriptive statistics, so on.